Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Simulator lets you develop and test NoSQL applications locally before you deploy them to Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Service. In this video, you will learn how to connect to the NoSQL Cloud Simulator using the Oracle NoSQL Database extension for Visual Studio Code. Make sure you have downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code. To install the Oracle NoSQL Database extension, open Visual Studio Code and click Extensions in the left sidebar. In the search box, type Oracle NoSQL Database Connector, select the extension and then click Install. After installation, you will see the Oracle NoSQL Database icon in the left sidebar. Make sure the Oracle NoSQL Cloud Simulator is running on your machine. If you haven't installed it yet, download the simulator, install it, and start it. To connect the extension to your local simulator, click the Oracle NoSQL Database icon in the left sidebar. In Table Explorer, click Show Connection Settings. In the Connection Settings page, select Cloud SIM and click Add New Connection. Enter a connection name of your choice. For the endpoint, enter the host name and the port where your simulator is running. Click Add to create the connection. The connection now appears in Table Explorer. From here, you can browse tables, create new tables, and run queries directly in Visual Studio Code using your local simulator.